frozen blueberries. Now I'm just coming in with my Bisquick mix, and I'm just gonna drizzle this on top of all of those blueberries. Perfect. Coming in with some lemon pie filling and my cookie scoop here. And I'm just gonna start adding some dollops to this lemon pie. I think this is gonna go so well with the blueberries, some of my favorite flavors. Marty's a lemon hater, but he just doesn't know what's good for him. All right, I'm just gonna marbleize this just a little bit to get that lemon spread throughout our delicious big old pancake here. But y'all, we are not done. We're making a super beautiful and easy breakfast that's perfect for the upcoming holiday, Easter. Lots of fun times to be had with your family and this delicious treat. Alrighty, I'm just popping this in my oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our extra large pancake is ready. Coming in with my trifle dish. Perfect. And perfect. Alrighty, I'm gonna come in and grab my small circle here, being careful of that pie in the middle. I'm gonna try and support her fully. Beautiful. And I'm gonna set that right down into the bottom of my trivet. Alrighty, I'm gonna set this aside and bring in my mixing bowl here. All right, we're coming in with some fresh blueberries here. And I'm gonna add in a can of my blueberry pie filling, but we just wanted this to be extra blueberry-ish and provide some of those fresh blueberry vitamins in with our deliciousness. I'm gonna give this a good mix. I want this to be a little bit more liquidy, so I'm gonna use a second can of my pie filling. I'm just using the Signature brand, y'all. We love the store brand. We love when it's on sale. We like to stock up. You can use pie filling for so many things. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that is looking gorgeous. All right, we're gonna bring back in our trifle. And I am just gonna spoon some of this delicious blueberry pie mixture right on top here. Ooh, look at this. Oh, so hearty, so pretty, goes so well. Just emphasizing the colors of our gorgeous pancake below. All right, I'm gonna put some more of my lemon pie filling in here. It's gonna be so pretty against that blueberry. And what a great compliment to our extra large pancake that we made. And I am just gonna smooth this here into another even layer. Oh, I cannot wait. My mouth is watering already. Alrighty, y'all, I'm coming in with some Cool Whip now. I am just going to spread this gently over this lemon layer. And these color contrasts are just so pretty. This is gonna be so dazzling on your Easter table or anytime you're hosting breakfast or brunch. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see the final result here, everyone. All right, I'm coming in with my second pancake round here. I'm just gonna ever so gently slide this off and get her in. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so gorgeous. Alrighty, I'm coming back in with this Cool Whip, y'all. And we're gonna spread this in a nice, kind of smaller layer right on top of our gorgeous, gorgeous treat here. All right, guys, I've just got some leftover cubes from our big pancake that were outside of our little circles. Nothing going to waste. Just gonna kind of top these. And I'm gonna finish it off with a glob of my blueberry and blueberry pie filling. Look how gorgeous that looks. Oh my goodness. Perfect for your Easter table. I'm gonna come in here and grab a delicious serving of this. Let me get my plate. Perfect. And of course you can chill this in between. Throw a little bit of syrup on here. Yum. All right, Andrew.
Ooh, my favorite time of year.
The best breakfast,
Oh
y'all.
my gosh, this looks so good. And unlike Marty, I love lemons, so I'm here to taste test this. Oh my gosh.
Is it delicious?
It's so good. You gotta try it.
Y'all, you gotta try it.